Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. Guys, as you can tell, I'm in a different location. I'm actually at my mom's house. In my last live show, you guys asked for another cooking episode with Taking a Bathroom. And just so happened, my mom wanted to put her air fryer up against my power air fryer oven. So guys, we were having a cook-off. Let's go ahead and get in the kitchen. And after I come back and share with you guys my final thoughts. But first, our sponsor.
Obey Streams TV is a high-quality IPTV service provider. This IPTV service provider provides hundreds of channels for as little as $20 a month, 3 lines. You can use this on an iPhone, iPad, NVIDIA Shield, any Android device. You also can use the web player and view it on your laptop or desktop. This will ensure that you will have your high-quality TV shows on the go anywhere in the world. So go ahead and check out Obey Streams TV. It will be in the description below.
All right, everybody. So here we have it. Me and my mom. It's about to be the air fryer showdown. She ready to take this L? You ready to take this L, mama?
Oh, yeah. I'm ready. Let's go.
So she ready to take this L. She don't know what L means. Tell me a little bit about your air fryer.
With my air fryer, I could do fried chicken breast. The most I love the chicken breast. When I season and marinate it, I don't have to shoot nothing in it. No, season nothing.
So it just come out juicy automatic.
It always come out juicy, and it's cut up all the fat for me. So
guys, my mom is a absolutely Weight Watcher fan. My mom been on Weight Watchers how long?
It's been about 5 or 6 years.
About 5 or 6 years, over 70 pounds down. Give her a hand clap. You can clap at home. You can clap at home. Let me go ahead and switch camera angles, and I want you to tell me a little bit about your chicken, okay?
Okay. I have my flour right here. It's already seasoned and been seasoned since last night. I got onion, garlic powder coming. I have chicken flavor in here. I put that in there to give it a good flavor. So this is my first time soaking my chicken in buttermilk, and I don't know how it's gonna taste, but I heard from the recipe you're soaking in buttermilk.
So how long have you been soaking this?
I started yesterday around about 5 o'clock, so all night.
All right, so one more question I have for you. How many pieces of chicken can you fit in your air fryer?
Oh, 6.
All right, let's get started.
I shake my chicken up in the seasoned flour, then I spray it with some oil.
What type of oil is that?
This is Honey all-purpose cooking, and I put it back in there. I'm a fast cooker, y'all, so I like to hurry up. So if you see a mess, excuse me.
I told you I'm a messy cooker. I get it from my mama.
Okay, I'm putting the last one in.
And they have a little rack up in here that you just set it in?
Yeah, it's a rack to hold the chicken. Just give it a hike. Okay.
You just have to set that on there.
Yeah, all you have to do is set it on there. And my chicken gonna be at 360.
360 in how long? 30 minutes?
Yeah.
That's how it looks. So it's see-through. You can see all around it.
Yeah.
All right. And how many pieces do you have in there again?
I got 6 pieces.
All right. My mom, she already had her stuff together. It's not gonna take me that long. I have my chicken. Now, mama, I say wings. Now, they always talk about when I say chicken wings. Kiza, how you pronounce wings?
Wings.
Wings?
Wings.
Wings?
W-I-N-G. Wings.
Well, we eat chicken wings over here, so
yeah, we eat more than one.
Yeah. All right. So I have my chicken wings. Again, I have the Louisiana batter. My mom used a spray. I'm going to use this brush and some extra virgin olive oil. Have it right here. And she had a variety of seasons, but you guys already know. If it's not that slap that mama, it's that Creole season. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my chicken, get everything together. I'm going to show you guys this process, and then I'm going to go ahead and load my air fryer. So just throw that up in there and wash that chicken. Now, somebody asked me in the comment section of my last one, mama, they asked me why do I wash my chicken? And I don't know. I always thought I just wash it because you have like bacteria and stuff on there. But I was told that if you don't use anything, you only using water, you're not really washing nothing off. But again, I just like to be safe. I mean, all kind of things be on the chicken, you know. feces and stuff like that. So wash my chicken real good.
I was told how to wash my chicken.
So you just been doing it for years because
I've been doing it for years.
And because you was told that and I seen you do it,
well,
so
see,
I grew up doing it
we
too.
We didn't have what y'all have. Live chicken.
Y'all went to the backyard and got it.
Yeah. You cut it up and you wash it and you season and, you know, old-fashioned style. We did it with the paper bag. Remember that?
No, I don't remember a paper bag, mama.
Well, you don't remember the paper bag?
No, I don't remember the paper bag.
Well, we did it with, we put our flour in our,
Oh, I see. You talking about, oh yeah, the brown bag. Put your
Yeah.
chicken and stuff with the flour and stuff, yeah.
shake it up.
Yeah, I remember that. I thought you were talking about like killing chickens with a paper bag or something.
No.
All right, so I'm done washing it. Now I'm about to go ahead and prep it. All right, my chicken all seasoned up. Ready for the batter. All right, so I got my chicken right here. Go ahead and just put it in the batter. The batter off. Put it on my racks. You guys already know how I do. I have some newspaper underneath here to catch that extra batter. All right, so I have my olive oil right here, guys. My extra virgin olive oil. And you seeing my mama sprayed hers. I'm gonna take this little barbecue brush right here. I'm just gonna coat my chicken. Lightly coat my chicken. Want to be gentle because you don't want to take the batter off of it. You can even put this in a spray bottle, guys, the olive oil, and you can spray it onto the chicken also. All right, so this is the Power Air Fryer Oven, guys. And the great thing about this is that it have multiple racks that you can just slide up in here and have different levels. I have 6 pieces of chicken on one rack and 6 pieces of chicken on this rack. I'm going to go ahead and put this rack right up in here. I can touch right here, and it have presets. I go right here to chicken. And you see it automatically going to put up 40 minutes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set my timer to 400. All right. I also have a light that I can turn on and off up in here to monitor it. And I set it. Also, we come back over here to my mom ones. My mom put 6 pieces of chicken up in here. It can take more than that. It have 2 layers. So she's only using 1 layer. That's what she's comfortable with. But actually, she can put a whole nother rack to fit total 12 pieces of chicken. I can get up to 14 to 20 pieces of chicken up in here, depending on the size because of the different racks. Now, I'm going to let that go for about 5-10 minutes, then I'm going to flip it. If I had multiple racks, I will rotate my rack. When I say, I didn't mean to say flip. I'm going to rotate my rack. If I had multiple racks, like 3 racks, I would go 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and rotate my rack. Since I only have 2 racks, rotate it after 10 minutes, and then I'll be done.
I'm turning it over every 5 minutes.
So every 5 minutes, you got to turn yours over?
Yeah.
You can see the chicken is already looking good. I say flip, guys. I mean rotate the chicken. Let's put it to the next level. I just want to make sure that both sides are cooking evenly. All right, everybody. So we about to have a little family talk. So right here, I have my sister, Kizzy Gage. How you doing?
Hi.
And of course, my mom.
Hi.
Mom, you ready to take this L?
Yep.
No.
Kizzy, you're going to be our taste tester today. So are you looking forward to tasting our chicken?
Yes, because I haven't eaten anything today.
Well, we ain't come here to feed you, baby. I got to bring some of that chicken home to my kids. So, Mom, tell me, before you started using your air fryer, you, of course, growing up, used to fry chicken on the stove. Mm-hmm. In the comment section, a lot of people were saying that when I rotate my chicken and stuff like that, there's too much time. It takes too long to cook the chicken. Now, it takes yours about 30 minutes whenever you're cooking 6 pieces of chicken. Mm-hmm. Whenever I cook my chicken, I usually use multiple racks. I'm feeding more people. And I rotate it anywhere from 2 to 3 times. That's about a 40-minute process, 50-minute process for that amount of chicken. If I wanted to cook that chicken on the stove in a normal sized pot, how long do you think it would take me to cook 14 pieces of chicken or 12 pieces of chicken deep frying it on the stove?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Because it's 50 on each side.
So 30 minutes for each batch or 30 minutes total? Because you only can fit so many pieces of chicken in the pot.
Well, it all depends on what kind of pot you got.
A normal pot.
I'm talking about a cast iron pot. We used to use that to fry chicken in. And we had a bigger family than yours. And back then he said, go turn that chicken over, you know. So that's how we learned how to fry chicken. So you got to keep turning it over so it won't burn.
About 30 minutes to, 45 minutes, depending on how big of a pot you have and how many pieces of chicken you're frying.
All right, so this is my mama chicken. She just took it out. Go ahead and pick one up, Mom. All right.
Juicy.
So that's your chicken right out there.
Yes, sir.
Look at the top rack. You see that chicken is nice and crispy right there. Look at that. That's nice. All right, guys. And there we have it. We have the chicken cook-off. Okay. So right here, we have my chicken right here. Presentation.
I thought you wasn't supposed to tell which one is which.
Well, it's too late now because Mom already did it. And we have my mom chicken. Let me just go ahead and get in close and tight on it.
and I'm also live on Facebook. All right, so.
And we judging both plates and let them know how it tastes.
So you're looking for texture, how it look, and how it tastes.
And as you can see, my dad is not wasting any time. So what you thinking, Pastor Bogan?
I would have to say that the one from the other fryer,
My fry.
it looks pretty, but we don't know how the taste is. They always say don't never judge your book by its cover.
Correct. So we're about to eat.
I haven't got to that one yet.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Put that one down and finish taste my one.
Yeah, don't eat the whole chicken. Just taste the chicken, people.
They just.
Well, I'm kind of hungry.
This chicken was very delicious. Tasty, very tasty.
Say it again.
This was very tasty.
Mama chicken.
Yes, very tasty.
It was very tasty and it's very crispy.
And it's very moisture too. The juice is in it. Very good. It's not dry.
All right, y'all moving on to the other piece. On Facebook Live, Angela said nobody prayed.
Dead time.
My chicken looks so good, Angela. They didn't even pray. Again, this is my chicken. Facebook. This is my mama chicken from her air fryer. Still got flour, it look like on it or whatever. This is so golden brown.
This chicken here is very delicious. It reminds me of Uncle Duck Soul Food Chicken.
Uncle Duck Soul Food Chicken is what? That's your restaurant, huh?
Yeah, it was my restaurant.
So my chicken tastes like your restaurant chicken.
Yes, sir.
So you saying his chicken better than my chicken?
No, wait. See, I should have been the only one tasting this, so they gotta sleep together. You know what I'm saying? Both season real good. Yours got the kick to it.
I have a power air fryer oven, and my mama have what you call yours, Boss air fryer. You like my chicken, huh, Daddy?
Yes, sir. Very good.
Is it?
They both are good.
No, we need a winner. Ain't no ties up in here. We need a winner. We ain't no ties up in here. You go ahead and say your mama needs to work at it. It's all right.
No, I'm not.
Take that out. She just need to work at it. She need to work at it.
Hers more juicier than yours.
Daddy, my mama's one's more juicy than mine.
You just said her chicken was juicy.
My chicken juicy too, huh, Daddy? My chicken tastes like restaurant chicken.
They do. She just like restaurant chicken.
See, you can serve my chicken to the public. You only can serve yours to your children. More likely your daughter. All right, guys, so there you have it. You guys be the judge of yourself. As always, it's nice to spend time with family and friends. Power air fryer. My mom said she wanted to do it again. But she got to step her game up according to me. So, Mama, you took that L?
No.
We're going to go back into the bathroom.
Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed me and my mom and my family spending a little time cooking in the kitchen together. A lot of things was edited out so this video can be condensed and I can upload it in YouTube. That way you guys can watch it in a timely manner. But trust me, there was loads and loads of conversation, jokes and stuff that we cracked. I always enjoy when you spend the time with your family and with your friends. I really enjoyed it. Hey, I know who won the cooking challenge. You guys seen it with your own eyes. Leave your comments below if you think I was the winner or if you think my mom was the winner. I think I won, but hey, it's up to you. Love my mom, love my sister. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.